So welcome back to all of you to another video of my YouTube channel. So in this video we will talk about how to upload more than 100 files on GitHub. So actually let me show you what the main problem is and why I am making this video. Okay. So let me show you. First we have to open GitHub. We will be actually uploading a file, complete file. Let me show you what is the file we are going to upload on GitHub as a repository. Okay. So this is the page. This is the page I have designed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is the normal coronavirus information page. So I just want to upload this now on GitHub as a repository. Okay, so first I will go to my GitHub and I will not tell you the complete process that how to use GitHub because I know everyone is well known to it. Coronavirus. Okay, I will name it as coronavirus. Description: coronavirus YouTube video. Okay, so in the description I will tell you I will put anything, and let's simply create this repository. So let's hold for this. Now we have to upload our files to the GitHub to this repository. So I will do one thing. I will simply just drag and drop these files here. So here is my file. I will simply just drag and drop here. So here you can clearly see this is the main problem. It says that's a lot of files. Try again with fewer than 100 files. So you have an option there. Either you can simply make a folder by folder and then upload files. Simply you create a folder first, then upload a file, then again create a folder. But how this can be done if we are having more than 1,000 or 2,000 folders? We can't just do create a folder first, then upload a file, create a folder first, then upload a file. So what we're gonna do? So here is the solution for this. This is a very time saving and a great solution. Simply you have to type in your desktop that GitHub for desktop. You can simply search this in your browser, whatever browser you are working, and get desktop.github.com. This is the website, and you have to download GitHub desktop on your system. So you have to download it. I have already downloaded, so I will not download this now. So let me open that software first. So where it is? So here it is, GitHub desktop. Okay, so let me open this. If let me tell you that when the first time you will open this will simply ask you to log in with your username, GitHub username and GitHub password. So you do all these things. After that you have to create a new repository here. Create a new repository. Simply follow my steps from here. These are very important steps and very helpful steps. So follow my steps. You have to simply create a new repository here. So let's create this. So repository name. Okay, so there it says that a lot of files. Let me show you once again. It says what? A lot of files. Try again with fewer than 100 files. And what we named this folder as coronavirus. So again coming here, we will just create a new repository. We will name here COVID YouTube. Okay, description, it is not important. You can do or you cannot put anything in description, but I will put down COVID repository. Okay, COVID repo. And here this is the main thing. You have to choose a place for it. Okay, so choose this wisely. I am choosing for tell you to desktop. Simply select a desktop and select folder. Okay, so now initialize the repository and simply create a repository here. Okay, so after creating this repository, wait for some time. Okay, so here our repository is created. Here you can see current repository, it's COVID YouTube. Let me pick this. Okay, COVID YouTube. There is a main branch and a publish repository. So after this you have to do one thing. There is a file full of codings. Okay, so you can code that, or for saving time I will put that file link in my description. You can simply download it from there. Okay, so what you have to do, I'm telling. So this is the file git attributes. This is the file you have to download from my description. Okay, and what you have to do is simply this is the folder we have created. Okay, here COVID YouTube. So this folder, after creating a repository from git desktop, it will simply create a folder at your selected place, selected path, and having a folder .git attributes and readme.md. So what you have to do, this simply download that file from my description link and copy the file and simply paste it to here. Paste it to here. Okay, so after pasting it, refresh it, and when you will return by doing this to GitHub desktop, you will see there the complete code. Okay, that is the complete coding in this. So either you can code this, you can find this on internet. So either you can type this or simply just download my file and paste that here. Okay, so after doing this, what we have to do, okay, so we have now to do that in this folder, this created repository folder, we have to do is we have to copy the code. No, we have to copy all these files, okay, which were not hosting on, which were not uploading in GitHub, as it says it are a lot of files. So and now coming to this folder, we will paste it. Okay, so we'll paste it and simply refresh this file. Returning to git desktop, we will see what all the files are here listed. So now we are almost done to 90% of uploading these files. So simply here in summary, simply type anything. I am typing this file uploads. Okay, and now we have to click here commit to main. Okay, commit to main means main branch of your created repository. All the files are committed to the main branch of your created repository. So this is the thing we simply do on GitHub on web version. So here in git desktop, this is the process of uploading. It will take some time depending on your folder size and also on your internet speed. Don't skip the video. I will tell you the full process that how to do this. So let's wait till it will create this committed. Okay, so here you can see that all the files are committed. So after this, you have to go to here publish repository and simply click on this. So this will tell COVID YouTube in description. Click here if you want to make your code private, means repository private, or if it is public, simply uncheck it and publish repository. So in the background here you can see publishing to origin. Okay, hang on, here it will show the percentage when it's done. So simply you can see the percentage and number of files uploading. So let's wait for the complete process. Let's see how it is done. Okay, so as I told you, it depends on your number of files as well as on your internet speed. So here I'm almost done. I think it's around 55 to 60%. So too fast. So as you can see, it's done. Okay, so after this, minimize this and let's get to our GitHub repository. Okay, so this is my GitHub profile, and here in the repository you can see it's COVID YouTube. And when I'm open this, so here you can see all the files are uploaded this. So, and let me tell you one thing. Okay, if we will upload this one by one, you can also imagine and think that how much time it will take to upload these folders by creating one folder and then uploading a file into it. It will create a lot of time. So you can see how it. So as you have seen that I have uploaded all the files here using GitHub desktop, using this GitHub desktop. So this is a very easy process. So for more easy tricks like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.